friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll explain how to use Facebook app step by step. Today we'll explain how to change cover photo for your collection on Facebook app. Let me show you how can we do that. At first, tap on Facebook app icon. Then click on three horizontal line which shown on top right. After that, tap on saved. Then select collection which you want to change cover photo for it. Let's try this one. Then press on three dot which shown here. After that, click on edit. Then press on this icon. Here you have two choices to change cover photo. This is the first one mobile, the second one on the right side. If you want to change to this icon, which shown on left, just press on it like this. Then click on done. Here we reach to the end of the video. On this video, explain how to change cover photo for your collection on Facebook app. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.